When it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday. Oh my goodness, you guys. It is snowing like crazy here. Blustering. I just got back from the grocery store and I'm starting to light up some candles. Check it out. I feel like Vanna White. I got this cool new rack the other day. And I love now how I can display candles and talk about them. This is like a game changer for me because I'm always like reaching around. I feel like my display is getting better as we speak. So this is great for candles. It's great for product. I'm loving this thing. So Bath and Body Works today is having a 15.95 candle sale, which is not a great deal. So we're going to talk about that. First, Kringle Candle is launching the 12 new candles for spring, including this one. This is fresh bergamot. I'm going to be talking about this one in my next video. This is a powerhouse. It's actually too strong almost for my small room here. I am a Kringle Candle ambassador, so you can use the code Queen Geeks when you order from Kringle. So check it out. Oh my gosh. Bath and Body Works spring Easter candles are here, including the Disney. I only put two Disney up there right now. So $15.95. Also today, Bath and Body Works, I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. They're having a laundry room bundle. I've never seen this before, featuring sun-drenched linen. Member exclusive price is $25. So basically you get a laundry detergent, you get a wallflower refill, and then you get the bubbles, like the little bubbles wallflower plug for $25. It's a retail $42 value. The problem with it is you really have to only like sun-drenched linen. So it's a little bit confusing. So if to me, this was not a good deal because if you don't like sun-drenched linen, you're not even going to look twice at this deal. It's just a really odd kind of promo. But if sun-drenched linen is your favorite scent, you might like it. So we have that going on. I don't think body care is even on sale today. Uh, this sale is not like super good. Oh, it's buy three get three. I give buy three get three on body care. However, on the 9th, there's rumors of a total body care, but it's not going to include Disney. So we'll see about that. Right now, spring candles. I think the hottest candles right now are this collection, which includes lavender marshmallow, uh, picnic petals, the lemon espresso twist, and vintage memories, which I don't like at all. I gotta say, I didn't like that one. I like the packaging, it's super cute. For spring, lavender marshmallow is my number one pick in this collection. It's absolutely incredible. Fluffy marshmallow, touch of lavender, fresh vanilla bean. It's one of those scents that it just like makes you happy. Oh my gosh, I love this one so much. So that is a definite yay for me. Picnic Petals is actually pretty good because it's sugared and you get like it almost smells like candy. It's like a little bit of floral. It's the sweet freesia, fresh picked raspberry, and candy jasmine. There's a lot of candy in this one, not a lot of floral. Lemon espresso twist is number 3 for me. It's one of those that I kind of like. It's espresso bean, warm vanilla, and lemon peel. I have to light this one up. I can't remember what it smells like exactly. Burning. Vintage memories, I don't like at all. That's a definite no for me. We've got garden weather, which I do like. Fresh cut lilacs, bergamot, and birch. And then, of course, we have the sweet carrot cake, which I know a lot of people want to pick up. This one is amazing. It smells the best in the 3-wick for some reason, which is interesting. Okay, then we have Easter candy basket, which is kind of that like odd orange marshmallow. The good news is this candle is normally $32.95, on sale today for $15.95. If you want to use your 25% off coupon and just go crazy on the candles, today's the day to do it. So we have that. We also have the tropical. I have mango papaya paradise, orange lily blossom, sugared churro. I don't know what happened to my pina colada. It was sitting here and now I can't find it. I gotta find my pina colada. It's around here somewhere. This is what I like about this rack. Coastal Paradise. I think this one is new. It is salted citrus, sparkling waves, and coastal breeze. Not my favorite. And then on the bottom shelf, I have Book Loft. I really like Book Loft this year. I think it's a good, um, solid scent. I didn't like it last year, but it smells amazing. It's pair your favorite book with notes of crisp bergamot, woods, and a warm blanket. It's cozy, I gotta say. I do like Book Loft. Um, Sugar Jasmine is a little bit odd. It's got a caramel note in it, but it's okay. My favorite, of course, is Hummingbird Tea Cake. Oh yeah, this is the pineapple cake one, and then Main Street Bakery, which is the banana. Oh my gosh, that one is incredible. The banana's amazing. My least favorite is First Date. I don't even know what this thing is. It's sweet amber, bergamot, and cozy vanilla musk. This one's a tough one to enjoy for me. So, like I said, I wanted to pull some candles out for you guys to see, but I think the number one picks for this time are probably Easter candles and these four new ones. So that's what's going on with candles. And like I said, we have that little bundle. So anyway, oh my goodness, let me know your favorite candle. If you want to use your 25% off, let me just do the math on this really quick. I'm kind of curious. $15.95 minus 25%. That's gonna be $11.96 better. I still say wait it out. There's going to be better sales coming. I feel it. I feel it in the air. Only it's cold. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye bye.